If people being detained in San Diego County jails are dying of drug overdoses, the solution seems simple to Paul Parker. He's the executive officer of the Citizens Law Enforcement Review Board.
As far as contractors and employees and county employees, at minimum, search, pat down, metal detector. And I know you might say, well, metal detector, you can't get, drugs aren't going to come in and it's not going to be able to be detected on a metal detector. Something to make sure that people that are being introduced into the facility, no matter who they are somehow scanned.
Recently, the Board of Supervisors voted to support buying a new body scanner for $200,000. But Supervisor Joel Anderson did have questions for Sheriff Anthony Ray. Right now, only people detained, in custody, or inmates go through the scanner.
If deaths continue because of illegal drugs in our jail system, is there any research that we're thinking in terms of to build a case of why we should be scanning or not scanning?
Over the last 5 years, we've had absolutely no proof, no concrete evidence, no cases sustained of anybody bringing narcotics in. So we're focusing the resources we have right now on where we know that drugs are coming in.
Ray says he's also open to figuring out a way to also scan staff, but would have to work with the union. But Parker says the department already rejected one easy thing that could help that doesn't involve searching staff.
The department did reject a recommendation we made to have the incarcerated population, incarcerated persons, go through the scanners upon entering a facility after having left it, not just upon booking, but when they go to court, when they go to medical, to go back through a body scanner at that time when they were reintroduced to the facility, and the department said no.
Parker says they did allow drug-sniffing dogs to check everyone, but he says the recommendations are not just for people in custody. They're also for the safety of their own staff. 16 people have died so far this year in San Diego County jails. 18 died last year, which was considered the deadliest in over 2 decades.
Any one of us could wind up in a county jail tonight. They could be accused of something that they did not do. The majority of folks in county jail who are dying are not convicted or sentenced to anything. So I think that we need to remember that. I think that we need to remember that these are not throwaway people.
A recent report showed that San Diego County jails had the highest rate of overdose deaths in the state based on population. Kitty Alvarado, KPBS News.